Now see children, here it is given about Consumer Protection Act. See the paragraph. If a product is advertised using incorrect information, fraudulent or fraud means or marketing exaggerated statements to cheat the consumers, pointing out shortcomings of the competitors, then the advertisements tend to lose our trust many a times. Therefore, while advertising, it is necessary to follow rules and regulations. The consumer should beware of such advertisement. That is why Consumer Protection Act has been enacted. It is necessary that the consumer recognizes his own needs and buy goods at reasonable rate. So children, we all are very much aware about Consumer Protection Act. We know that Grahak Jago Grahak, because ultimately we are paying money for any consumer, any goods. So it is our duty to be very aware, or awareness among consumer is very important. Understood? So whatever product we are purchasing, we are supposed to see the expiry date, money, whether it is reasonable or whether it is ISI mark is there, that is confirmed by Indian standards regulations. So that is very important, because we doesn't want to be cheated by anybody. Understood? Because we are paying money for that. So that is very important. So we can take example of Maggi. So a few years back, the action was taken against Maggi, because in that packet they used to put some kind of chemicals which was not accepted by citizen. So again act was passed. So because consumer protection is very important, so as a consumer we are supposed to be aware whatever product we are using, that is of good quality or not. Understood? Because we doesn't want to be cheated by shopkeeper or any type of company. So that is very important. So this is about your Consumer Protection Act, which was passed by Indian government, or we can say for consumers, Consumer Protection Act. So many other rules and regulations are also there. Understood? So it is very important for everybody to be aware whatever we are using, whatever products we are using. Understood? So this is all about your trade. So I hope you have understood well, because this lesson is very important. Day-to-day life, we can take example from day-to-day life also, because purchasing things is our daily necessity. So we must know what is trading, what is domestic trading, what is international trading, what is wholesale trade, what is retail trade, what are the various economic organizations. So this is all about your lesson. I hope you have understood well. Now it's your duty to read this lesson again and again, because this lesson is very important from the examination point of view. And again, this will be continue in your 10th standard also. So please children, read this lesson again and again. Thank you.